OpenAI likes to take its sweet time between model releases. So we can expect ChatGPT 5 by next year. Training and fine-tuning these new models will take at least several months each. So don't expect too much. And once ChatGPT 5 will come, it will also increase the momentum in the AI again. And then you're going to need those NVIDIA chips. So it will boost the price of NVIDIA as well. So the launch of ChatGPT 5 is going to be a catalyst for NVIDIA also, and for other semiconductor ETFs. GPT-4o launched about a year after GPT-4, following a similar gap after GPT 3.5. So they usually take about an year to launch their new version. So right now we are on the GPT-4o version, and it's going to be the version till end of the year, and in next year they're going to release GPT-5. This suggests that ChatGPT 4o, with its full voice and vision capabilities, will likely be the best AI available through the end of 2024.